Now let's just move on further towards the next question, which says the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So let us suppose if I'm drawing the figure for this particular question, let us suppose if I'm taking this as nothing but my tower, and let us suppose if I'm taking this as nothing but the building, this as nothing but the building. Let us suppose if I'm joining both of them as this. So as per the question, we know that the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. So this was my building. So from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation which is formed over here, we know that the angle of elevation is always formed in such a manner in which the object is always lying above the horizontal level. So this angle is nothing but 30 degree, which is already given to us. And further the question says the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. So from the top of the tower towards the foot of the building. So let us suppose if I'm drawing it in such a manner. So this would be nothing but given to us as nothing but 60 degree. So this angle is given to us as nothing but 60 degree. As you can see over here, the angle is given to us as 60 degree. Now it further says if the tower is 50 meter high. So since this is my tower, let us suppose I'm calling it as A, B, C and D. This is my tower and its height is 50 meter. Its height is 50 meters. Now we have to calculate the height. Now we have to calculate the height of CD or DC, means the height of this building. So let's just calculate it. First of all, our real motive is to find the base BC. Now let's just start with the triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, since we know that they are all perpendicular to the horizontal ground. So since if we are talking about the triangle ABC, so we know that in a triangle ABC we have the angle as 60 degree over here. So we can write it as nothing but a tangent of, let us suppose if I'm taking tangent of angle C, it would be nothing but is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC. We know that the angle C is nothing but 60 degrees. So this is nothing but 50 divided by BC. Now further, we know that tangent of 60 is nothing but root 3, which is equal to 50 by BC. Now we can calculate BC as nothing but 50 by root 3. This is nothing but BC, that is the base, which is 50 by root 3 meters. Hence this is nothing but 50 by root 3 meters. And now further, let us suppose if I'm taking the triangle number 2, that is nothing but DCB. So in triangle DCB again, we know that tangent of angle B, we have this particular angle. So let us suppose we have this angle. So we are taking tangent of B as nothing but is equal to DC by BC. So we know that angle B is actually nothing but 30 degree. As you can see over here, for this particular triangle we have angle as 30 degree. So tangent 30 is equal to DC by BC. We know the value of BC is nothing but 50 by root 3. Now let's just calculate DC. We know tangent 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 into this value will get multiplied with this one as 50 by root 3, which is equal to DC. So here hence at the end DC is coming out to be 50 by root 3 into root 3, which is 3 meters. So this is actually nothing but the height of, this is actually nothing but the height of the building, and the height of the building is nothing but 50 by 3 meters. You can also further sort it out as by dividing 50 by 3. So as you can see, we can divide it as 3 into 1 is 3. We have 2 left. 3 into 6 is 18. We have again 2 left. So this is a point of 6 again. So we can say that the height of the building is nothing but 16.6 meters. In approx manner, we can say, we can take it as 16.7 approx, or we can write it as height of the building is nothing but 50 by 3 meters. So this is nothing but the answer for the question number 3rd.